Legends of its sharpness and flexibility spread through centuries of battle.
For centuries, this steel terrified armies.
The story begins in South India, over 2,000 years ago.
The answer begins far from Damascus. The steel was traded secretly, its ornament carefully guarded.
Its origin was guarded like a secret.
This steel traveled west through trade.
In Damascus, blades gained fame.
Its name came from a city, but the makers remained anonymous.
The answer begins far from Damascus.
Damascus steel did not begin in Damascus. It traveled there, quietly, through ancient trade routes.
The name came from the city, not the invention.
European warriors noticed the difference.
So how did medieval craftsmen create a material we still cannot fully reproduce today?
Here, craftsmen created a crucible steel, later called Wootz.
Iron and carbon were sealed together.
The metal melted slowly, protected from air.
Cooling mattered as much as heat.
Their steel failed where this did not.
What secret allowed craftsmen centuries ago to create the impossible?
This steel was forged centuries ago, yet its behavior still challenges modern understanding.
It bends without breaking and cuts without losing strength.
The patterns weren't decorative. They were the result of a precise, repeated process.
Its surface told a story.
It bends without breaking and cuts without losing strength.
It wasn't just sharper, it was different. No written recipe survives. No complete instructions. Only fragments and legends.
The secret started with a rare type of iron ore, rich in carbon and trace elements.
This ore behaved differently when heated. It absorbed carbon in unusual ways.
Instead of forging immediately, the metal was sealed and left to transform. What emerged was not a blade, but a dense steel ingot. Temperature control was critical. Too hot, and the steel was ruined. This solid block already contained patterns, hidden beneath the surface. Only certain iron, folded and hammered with unmatched skill, could form Damascus steel. This steel flexed instead of failing.
Timing and temperature were everything, yet no record survived.
Not all iron behaves the same.
How could metal do this without breaking?
Strength alone wasn't the answer.
No complete recipe survives. The method vanished. And with it, a material ahead of its time.
And why could no one fully recreate it?
Masters have left, leaving only echoes.
The people who knew how to make it are gone, and the method vanished with them.
Only a few men ever knew it.
And with it, a material ahead of its time.
Nothing was recorded.
No complete recipe survives.
Then the supply collapsed.
The steel survived. The method didn't.
It survived wars and generations.
Science searches. History smiles. And the mystery deepened.
And the mystery remains unresolved.